Hey guys, what's up? HB Ken here. Welcome back to another vid. So today I'm making some slime. I have glue. So we're gonna dunk some glue in. There you go. Swirl it. Up, okay. There you go. So I have me some glue here. I don't know why everyone mixes their glue. So then you'll need a pinch of baking soda. Sprinkle it in. Now mix it all up. Sorry, I probably get the lights. There you go. That's better. Now you mix that up. Now you take your contact lens solution and pour the solution in. Sorry, guys. If you poured a lot of contact lens solution in and it's still not activating, then it's probably because you added weights. You need to add more baking soda, yeah. So if you added like a lot and it's still not working, then add a little bit more baking soda. And sometimes you just need to mix it a little more. I need a little more baking soda. I think the baking soda kind of gets it to stay together. Oh, it's all over my hands. Okay, yeah, something is wrong here. I just don't know what. So I'm just going to pour some in. Do not pour a whole lot in because that just will make the slime very, very stiff. So it's getting harder now. So that's a good sign, but still not like activated hard. So you need to just keep mixing, It's okay because it's coming off the thing when we touch it, so it's good. But like we can't actually touch the slime very well, so add some more contact lens solution. Oh, by the way, while I'm doing this, since there's nothing much to talk about, I like to tell you guys to subscribe, comment, and like on this video. Comment down below what you would want next for the next video. Like, because it means a lot to me. Boop the like button and subscribe because it means a lot to me. And like, honestly, I'm so happy I have 5 subscribers. Like, I'm very happy that I have 5. So, yeah. 5 means a lot to me. My goal is 10 right now. Like, so I really hope that I can get to my goal. Oh, dang it, there's a fly here. But, yeah. I hope I can get to my goal with the help of you guys. So now I'm talking about you guys right now. So boop the like button in 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Okay, I hope you guys did. So annoying. There's so much flies. And yeah. I'm gonna try to take this out. Yeah, this is not very... It's not the best slime right now. It's way too sticky for one thing. Ah, stop it! This dang fly. Okay, I'm gonna put the slime back in here and roll it around the container so it can take all the stuff in. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a sped up video of me playing with slime ASMR. It's only going to be a few seconds because it's time lapse. So yeah, this is the slime. It's really good. Ah, got all over my hands. Yeah, not really good, but good. Like, it pokes, it stretches. Try to make a swirl. No, I think it's too sticky to make a swirl right now. But yeah. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.